Hey there. Today we're going to talk about how you and I, as human beings, sometimes get stuck in silly. And it's almost biblical how we talk about it. We say things like, if this thing offends me, I will pluck it out. Meaning, when we see something in our behavior that we want to stop, we say, I'm going to stop doing that. Well, that's not realistic, is it? Unless we're a light switch that can go on and off, which we're not, we can't just stop something. A more realistic, honest way to approach things is to determine what do we want to do more of in replacement of the thing that is undesirable, and then do less of the undesirable. That's right. We're more organic. So I propose that we think about, instead of stopping something, doing more of the thing that we want and less of the thing that we don't want. And then in that way, be patient with ourselves as we move from doing something that offends us to getting better over time. It's a lot more realistic, and it's not so silly thinking we're binary like a light switch.